Step 1. Clean the vehicle as if you were taking it to a show. This is a crucial step to determining overall vehicle condition. Step 2. Get the vehicle into good light. In this case, it's a beautiful day and we have great sunlight. Great indoor shop lighting will work as well. This is a very important step because photos will not turn out well with poor lighting. Step 3. Prepare your camera. We're going to be using a smartphone and we want to make sure the camera lens is clean to avoid hazy photos. Step 4. Let's take photos. We'll start with the vehicle's exterior first, then move on to the engine, interior, underside, trunk, VIN and body tags, and finish with documentation. We're going to start by walking around the vehicle and taking some full exterior photos. We're going to be shooting photos from all angles. You can see with these sample photos that we can get an overall look at the vehicle as well as examine the body lines, door gaps, and the paint quality. These are examples of close-up photos of body panels from several angles. We're looking to see how straight the body panels are and get a better feel for the paint condition. To wrap up the exterior, please take close-up photos of any paint chips, dents, dings, or body damage. Under the hood, we'll be taking photos from different angles. Our goal is to get a general idea of the engine compartment condition, as well as highlighting some key areas such as firewall and inner fender wells. We will also be looking for options such as power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning. For the interior, we're going to start first with taking photos of the door jambs on both the door and body side. Next, we'll take photos of the door panels and then move on to the interior of the vehicle. Be sure to get photos of the passenger door jambs as well. Here are some great examples of door jamb photos on both the door and body side of the vehicle. When taking photos of the dash, please remember to get a photo of the mileage and the overall gauge condition. These overall interior photos are great for showing us the complete interior layout, including the color of the interior, the carpet and seat condition, and center console condition. Remember to also include photos of the headliner. These under dash photos are important to show us the vehicle's wiring and interior firewall. Now we're going to photo the underside of the vehicle without a lift. We're going to lay down on the ground, get low, and take some overall photos of the undercarriage. One of the most important features here is to get your phone very low to the ground, pointing up at the underside. That's how you're going to get the best quality of photos. As you can see in these examples, our goal here is to photograph the overall floorboard condition as well as the exhaust system. Here you can see the frame and pinch weld photos, which are very important to us. We like to see the metal condition on the pinch weld and the frame. These next photos will show us the rear end condition, the gas tank, and inside the rear drop downs of the quarter panels. To wrap up the underside photos, we're going to take pictures of the front suspension, including bushings, and also the front brake system. Next, we're going to take photos in the trunk. If there is a spare tire and mat, please remove these items before taking photos. Now that the trunk is free of items, we're going to take photos of the complete trunk area, the trunk floor, the rear quarter panels on both sides, wheel wells, and the package tray area. Our goal with these photos is to see the metal condition on both the trunk floor, the quarter panels, and the package tray area. Next, we will take photos of the VIN plate and body tags on your vehicle. Please locate your VIN plate or stamping, and take a clear photo where the number is easy to read. Do the same if your vehicle is equipped with a body or trim tag. And finally, we will take photos of any documentation you may have with the vehicle, such as build sheet, receipts, and photos of the restoration. And that's it. From all of us at Vanguard Motor Sales, thanks for watching.